With more homes hitting the market, some sellers are having to be a little more flexible to get the deals done. That's where concessions come in. Concessions are perks you offer buyers to help seal the deal. You could cover some or all of their closing costs, adjust the price to cover repairs, or even throw in a home warranty to help keep your buyers happy during negotiations. Let's say a buyer asked you to make repairs after an inspection. Instead of fixing everything yourself, you could offer a credit so that they can handle it. It keeps the deal moving and helps you close faster, avoids the hassle of having to start back at square one and find a new buyer. And don't worry, this doesn't mean you have to come up with a bunch of cash up front. These get subtracted at the closing of the home. Of course, it's important to have an agent to help you decide which levers to pull and which aren't really worth it for you. And I can help with that. Sellers, let me know what a concession you'd be open to offering. Call or text me today and let's discuss your real estate plans. And remember, it really does matter who you choose to be your realtor.